Allison Crary, lifelong artist and founder of Time for Art. I started Time for Art in 2020 because I wanted to provide art materials and instruction that would be affordable and accessible to everyone. We do this by sending painting kits that are complete with all the supplies you will need and video instruction. Artistic fundamental skills can be learned, much like being taught a musical instrument. When I was learning to draw and paint, I had incredible teachers that worked at my level and found projects that were inspiring to me. Our Time for Art drawing and painting kits have several different genres to choose from and real-time video instruction so you can learn at your own pace. You can choose any kit that interests you to display in your home or give as a gift. Our package features painting lessons with an optional drawing lesson if you'd like to learn to draw as well. If you are only interested in the painting, you can start immediately with a transferable outline. Embrace your inner artist. Your ability to paint awaits.